In this video, I'm going to tell you how to apply job in Marriott Hotels. Marriott has 30 hotel brands in 131 plus countries and 7,000 plus properties globally. If you want to know more about housekeeping and hotel industry, subscribe our channel and join us. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it amongst your friends and comment below on what do you like. And my name is Gopinath. Welcome and Vanakkam to the channel G for Growth. In mobile, laptop or computer, search for careers.marriott.com. After that, you will be directed to Marriott Careers job website. You will be directed to this page. There you can see what are the brands you are going to work under. So let us look at the brands of Marriott that we are going to work under. Ritz-Carlton, Marriott, JW Marriott, W Hotels, Renaissance, Westin, Bulgari, Delta, Marriott, Marriott Vacation Club, Gaylord Hotels, AC Hotels, Courtyard by Marriott, Residence Inn, Spring Hill Suites, Fairfield, Town Place Suites, Proti Hotels, Moxie, St. Regis, Luxury Collection, Edition, Autograph Hotels, Sheraton, La Meridian, Trabit Portfolio, Design Hotels, Aloft, 4 Points and Element. Okay, let us go to the beginning of this page. There you will see Find Jobs at Marriott International. Click that link, you will be directed to the next page. Before that, you will be prompted if you are current Marriott associates, you must apply through My HR. This is only for associates who is working in Marriott Hotels. If you are not working in Marriott Hotel, kindly go through. After that, you will be directed to this page where you can put your keyword for your job, property name, brand, etc. For example, I am going to put keyword as housekeeping manager. In location, you can choose any location on your preference. For example, I am putting India as my preferred location. Next, you can select exactly you want the job results to be shown in that location or around that location. Now, I have got results of my search. So let us see where and all I have got job. For example, I have got housekeeping manager vacancy in Westin Goa, Courtyard, Navi, Mumbai and some more locations as well. So here you will see when this job was posted and you have to click apply for applying to this job. Let's click apply. So it will be directed to the next page. So kindly go through this privacy agreement before you click I accept. After you read this agreement, click on I accept. Then you will be directed to the next page where you will be asked to log in. As like other job portals, if you have already username, password, put that and go in. If you want to create a new account, you can click this create a new account and create as well. And you will have option for logging through Google or Yahoo also. As an easy option, I'm going to log in through my Google account. So choose your Google account and log in. Next, you will be directed to this page where you will have to complete these following steps. There are totally 10 steps that you have to complete. So we are going to complete step number 1 now. That is your resume or CV upload. There are two options for uploading your resume. You can import your profile data from LinkedIn or you can upload your resume from your system. This option is for filling your details manually. If you are uploading your resume right now, these 10 steps will be easier because from your resume, your details will be automatically collected. So I'm going to choose the first option, select your resume, and I will upload my resume from my system. So this process will be easier. After uploading, click save and continue. You will go to next page. Next page is my information page. The first question is, how did you hear about us? So as we are coming through Marriott Career website, I am clicking Marriott Career website. Then your personal informations would be automatically filled up by your resume. So kindly check for your details and go to the bottom. Make sure the mandatory columns are filled. In the last, you will see an option for do you wish to receive an email when a new position matching this profile is posted. I am going to click yes, so I will be getting notification if any other job vacancy is matching to my profile. I am clicking save and continue to go to the next page. Here there are some general questions, so kindly go through and click yes or no. Are you applying through my HR? Are you authorized to work for this company? You have any relatives working for this company? Have you ever been worked for this company? So these questions will be asked, so you have to click your proper answer. Save and continue. Next, you will be directed to the third page, that is work experience. Fill up your work experience in this mentioned column. Make sure your mandatory fields are filled. Then if you want to add work experience, you can click this link so you can add your work experience. Save and continue to go to the next page. Next, you will have a page for education, certifications and languages fill up. In education 1, you can fill up your recent education. In education 2, you can fill up your previous education and so on. In languages, mention your known languages. Then save and continue. You will be directed to the next page. In the next page, there are some additional questions. There you will be asked, are you willing to relocate? Please rate your ability to speak, read and understand English. Choose the right option and save and continue to go to the next page. That is your job specific questionnaire. Here you will be asked like how long you are working for this industry. Please describe your level of expertise with reading, interpreting and monitoring financial information. Third question would be, at your current or previous place of employment, how many direct reports do you have? Fourth question will be, at your current or previous place of employment, what was your scope of responsibility? Choose the right option. If you keep coming down, you will be having questions regarding to your work experience. So choose the right options for those questions. After that, kindly go through once again for the right answers. Then save and continue to go to the next page. Then there are some additional attachments. If you have any other additional certificates, you can attach in this page. Only include the attachments related to your job. Don't include the attachments related to your height, weight, country of origin, marital status, your family members details, etc. After you finish this, click save and continue to go to the next page. Here you will be asked e-signature. So go down, kindly read this statement, then enter your full name and save and continue. Then you will be having a time to review and submit your application. If you want to do any corrections, you will be having an edit blue color link so that you can click and edit if you want to edit anything. Then after you finish everything, go down, submit. So if you are clicking this submit button, so it will be submitted to the HR. Then you will be having this page where you will see my applications, my preferences, jobs matching my preferences. Let's see what's inside. If you are clicking my applications, you will see what are the applications that you have submitted so far will be available. So you can see your submissions. If you're clicking my preferences, you will be having an option to edit the steps between 2 and 7. If you edit these informations and keep it, so the next time you will not be asked to refill again. Next, if you click jobs matching my preferences, you will see the jobs that is matching to your profile. Next, if you are clicking job search, that will lead you to the first page that we have come. Then if you click my job page, you will see the submissions that you have done so far. Again the same. Then you are having sign out. So if you want to sign out, you can sign out. So we are not going to stop here. We will have many videos like this. If you wish to know more about housekeeping, just go through this playlist so that you will have more housekeeping learning videos. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it amongst your friends and subscribe for more videos. We'll meet in the next video soon.